So growing up, we've seen brass being used in every household for storage purposes. But personally, I have seen my grandmother's kitchen being lined with different shapes and different sizes of brass containers. But over a period of time, I think this is a tradition that we have lost and we have replaced it with plastics. So we thank all our well-wishers, customers who have waited this long for Zishta to launch or Zishta to bring back authentic brass containers. Zishta is very excited to introduce and launch handmade brass containers from the clusters who have been making it for several generations now. So let's see why brass was being used in traditionally in most of the kitchen households and specifically for storage. So brass is an alloy of copper and zinc retains all the antioxidant properties that the spices or grains have. The other reason why brass was also used is because it has the tendency to keep the ingredients fresh for a longer period compared to plastic or any other metal, for example. Scientific research also proves that brass has antibacterial properties, which is very much necessary. And again, at Zishta we see that brass is a more sustainable option for storage. So Zishta is very excited to launch different sizes and different shapes of brass storage containers. Like you can see, there are quite a few sizes and shapes in this. So go ahead and check the website. Zishta is now, all of these are listed on the website. You can go ahead and place your orders. Thank you.